Hi everyone, welcome to the Lookbook. If you are new here, hi, this is Atisha. You know why you have clicked on this video. Glossy lips are back in trend and I have been on a hunt for the perfect clear transparent lip gloss for months now. In the Indian market we have many lip glosses, but they have pinky mauvey tones to it, and whatever is transparent is not very affordable. I know one is from Lime Crime in I think Cherry Lips or something like that. I'll leave the name on the screen, but it is not that affordable. So I was on the lookout for an affordable but good like Bomb.com clear transparent lip gloss, and while scrolling through Instagram I found this little thing. This is the Swiss Beauty Gloss Me lip gloss, and this is what it looks like. This retails for just 199 rupees and you can easily find this on Nykaa and Amazon. This is one thing that I love about Swiss Beauty products. They are so affordable and most of the times they perform really well. So this is why we are here today. We are going to review this because even though the packaging is cute, the price is on point. It won't make sense if it actually doesn't look glossy and juicy and all that good stuff. So let's start with the review, and also here's a close-up on the packaging. I really like this. Like, it's nothing fancy, but it doesn't look cheap either. It looks very similar to their liquid lipsticks that I had reviewed recently. I'll have a link in the description box and also in the iCard. You can check it out. Also, I bought this very recently, I think a month ago, in my Nykaa haul. If you have missed that, then check that out as well. I'll have a link in the description box. So yes, now let's try this on. Okay, so let's open this up. I wish I had nail polish on, but I don't. So this is what the applicator looks like, and you can see it's a really clear gloss, like nothing much to it. There's no shimmer particles or anything, which is a good thing. And the applicator is quite stiff. I'm not a huge fan of it. I think this is something I mentioned about the liquid lipsticks as well. The applicator is quite stiff, but for the price point, I don't mind it actually. If this looks good on my lips, then I can deal with this applicator. Quick hand swatch. This is what it looks like. Okay, this looks nice. It's shiny. Okay, let's try this on. Now, right now I have nothing on my lips. I just had some lip balm on, which is fine. And after this, I'll try it out with a lip liner and show you guys, because honestly, a clear lip gloss, I'll either be wearing it on top of a lip shade to make it glossy, or with a nice lip liner faded inside. So let's just try it on its own first. Here goes, fingers crossed. So here's a thin coat of this and it looks really pretty. Like the shine, it's insane, and it's not sticky. It's not sticky at all. It almost feels like a lip oil, like it's literally not sticky, which is kind of weird because I have the Essence lip gloss and it is a tad bit sticky, but then I also think that being a bit sticky means that it stays longer. But thing is, this looks really pretty, and with lip glosses we do know that we will have to touch up quite a bit. I will keep this on for a couple of hours and I'll let you know how long this lasts, either in the description box or on the screen. Yeah, this looks good, and as you can tell, like whatever lip balm I had on my lips, it did transfer on the applicator, and when I put this back in, like slowly this color will become kind of dirty with whatever lipstick you are applying this on top of. So that is one off thing about the clear packaging, but then I do like the packaging and that happens, so it's fine. That is something that's expected. Now, yes, I will insert a clip of me wearing this with a lip liner or on top of a liquid lipstick. So this is what the lip gloss looks like in natural lighting. I do have the Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade Chestnut outlining my lips, and it looks even prettier. So yes, do go in with a lip liner and it still looks really sparkly. So I think this Swiss Beauty Gloss Me lip gloss is amazing. For the price, the packaging, the easy availability, I got this from Nykaa and it also is on a sale. Like you can get this for 160 or 150, but basically it retails for 200. So I definitely will say that at least even if you're not a glossy lips kind of person, have this in your kit because glossy lips are in trend and I'm not someone who was like, I literally started wearing glossy lips in 2020, like towards November, December, and I'm in love. They give such a nice, you know, plump, juicy effect to the lips, and it looks really expensive also. Like if you have a really bold eye makeup on, you can easily pair this with a nude lip liner. Now I will suggest wearing a lip liner to avoid this lip gloss from bleeding out of your lips. Now this has been on my lips for a couple of minutes now and it hasn't bled anywhere, which is great. So yes, this was my review. Hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comment section which other Swiss Beauty products or affordable products you'd like to try me out. That if you found this video helpful and enjoyed watching me review stuff, then do subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button. I post makeup and fashion related content on my YouTube channel and also over at Instagram. I'm pretty active there. Right now I have my 30 days Reels challenge going on, so you might want to check me out there. It is at Lookbook by Itisha. So that was my time. Meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.